Hey everyone, you can watch my videos in your first language now. Click the settings button, audio track, and select a language of your choice. Like Portuguese.
E é detalhado sobre o vídeo do Istabor, curar niveles e outras funções.
3% लोगों ने ही मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब.
Di video kali ini, saya akan menunjukkan cara
皆
mengatur
さん、こんにちは。このビデオでは、スタトックの設定方法
You'll find other options too, like French, German, Italian, and Polish. So enjoy! Discord has released many quests, and trust me, you don't want to sit on it. First is from Subnautica 2. It will expire in 4 days from now, so make sure to do it fast. The second is from Rustshop. This one's expiring on 21st of May. It has some time, but do it fast. The third is from Discord themselves that tells about all the Nitro rewards you can get. It's compiled in one trailer video and expiring on June 11th. The fourth is from Apple Mac. This one requires you to use the VPN and change your location to the US. The same is for the fifth quest, which is from IMAX, some Gremlin movie. It's about the Star Wars Mandalorian and Grogu. The sixth quest is from Microsoft Build. This also gives away 200 orbs. All the orbs links will be in this video's description, so make sure to open it and get all the links, including the ones of previous quests. The reason I add free Nitro in my thumbnail is because look at this, I've got like 64,800 orbs, which is enough for 7 months of Nitro. I know not everyone's rolling in orbs like me, but hey, at least you're not totally broke with zero. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you.